All right, so this is the easiest way to go about this that I saw. To pull your air box out, you've got three. Where the fuck did it go? You need a T20 holding your lid shut. Got 3 T20 screws. 1, 2, and 3. Easiest way to get it out I saw was to back the screws off on both of those clamps and then pull your hose loose from your PCV valve, and then I just rotated this up, and then you can set it down and it'll give you some room to fiddle with. Undoing your sensor clip, so slide the red tab back, push on the black tab in the center, pull it out, it's disconnected, and then you can just lift the whole thing out as one piece. This took some fiddling, but it's only one 10mm nut that goes, or bolt that goes in there, and then it takes some wiggling. I didn't have to disconnect anything, but it did take a little messing around with. This guy, the inlet is attached from underneath. All you got to do is take a screwdriver and pry at one end and it just falls out. Everything in here is basically just wedged in there. So take a flathead screwdriver. I just pried right here on this side and it popped right out and slid the unit out. Toss up the screw, unscrew that 10mm bolt and pull it out. And then it took some wiggling, but I was able to basically dip this end under a little bit, pull the hose line out over, and then what you got is this just slides in. So I gotta put this down. All right, so when you lift that out, you've got this nub is all that's holding it in, and just goes into that little rubber grommet right here. So when you pull that up, slide it back out, the whole thing's going to come out. Ditch that. To get this off, computer's out, and two 10mm. There goes your horn, and there's a 13mm. There goes that guy. You're gonna want to put this back for later. I don't know if I'd go about cranking it down just yet, because what are you doing? Stop it. This is the this holds your headlight on, so to make sure it's lined up, I'll just get about tightening it up later on. So for now, it'll just stay there to remind me. I think we're going to use this bracket to rehang this computer, and we'll see how I want to get that, because I don't want the electrical connections pointing. Oh, I don't want them gathering any water, but I don't want them getting directly splashed either, regardless of whether it's got the splash shield in here or not. So I will figure out how I'm going to mount this. Probably look something like that. I know it's upside down, but whatever.